Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a nifty trick that'll elevate your design game in Adobe Illustrator, the Star tool. It's like having your own constellation at your fingertips. So, grab your stylus, let's dive right in. Once Illustrator is opened, select the size of your project. Then click on it to create a project. Now, before we embark on this star-studded journey, let's locate the Star tool. It's actually tucked away behind the Rectangle tool. You have to right-click on Rectangle tool. Then click on Star tool. Upon your first star drawing adventure, you'll encounter the default star shape in Adobe Illustrator. It's neat, but we're just scratching the surface here. Pro tip: hold down the Shift key for a straight star. But wait, there's more. Let's jazz things up. Holding down the Alt key while sketching out a star yields a sleeker, more angular look. It's like giving your design an edgy makeover. Now, let's talk spikes. Ever wanted to customize their length? Well, today's your lucky day. While drawing, hold down the mouse key, then press down Ctrl. As you drag, watch those spikes elongate or shrink. It's a spike-tacular transformation. But what if 5 points just aren't cutting it? Fear not, fellow designers. With a simple tap of the arrow keys while drawing, you can add or subtract points to your star. While holding the mouse key, click on Up or Down key to increase the points of the star. And there you have it, folks. That's how you use Star tool in Illustrator. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more design adventures. Until next time, thanks for watching.